Hello guys, in this tutorial I will teach you how to delete Opay account. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Opay, you can use the link in the description and you may get discount and rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here on my Opay website, what I'm gonna do is to contact the customer service of Opay in order to ask them to delete my account. So in order to do that, just scroll down on the bottom part of the website and you will see a contact us button right there. So this is what the contact page look like. So it shows you their mobile numbers that you can contact or their emails or also in-app customer service that you can be chat with. And yeah, that's it. So you can just contact this any of this and ask them to delete your account, and that's where it is. So another way to delete your account, and I think this is the best way to delete your Opay account, is by doing it yourself. So you can download Opay on your mobile phones. If the Opay application is available, you can download it on Google Play Store. But apparently for me, the Opay application is not available on my phone, so I can't do it. So, but if you guys have a Opay application, you can just go there and go to your account settings, and there will be a close account button that or option that you can click, and it lets you close your account permanently or temporary. And yeah, that's it. So you can just choose whether you can delete your account temporary or permanently, and that's the way it is. So that's the only way to cancel or delete your Opay account. And also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.